Hello YouTubers, do you have any leftover crab? Because we do. That's how. Today we're going to cook chili crab using leftover crab. Ingredients are simple. Using the leftover crab that we had from our voodoo fight, we also need some hibi or tiny dried shrimps. And then we need chili sauce and ketchup. Eggs, onion, garlic, spring onions, and sugar. You will also need a slurry. First, you need to heat some oil in your wok. Saute the onions, then garlic, then add the hibi. To that, add the chili sauce and water. Mix well, cover, and then boil. After boiling, you can now add the crabs. Add some salt and then add some ketchup. You can estimate the exact measurement for each ingredient used depending on the number of crabs that you have. After this, add some sugar. You should use less sugar if you're already using banana ketchup, but if you're using tomato ketchup, use more sugar. At this time, you should prepare your slurry, which is a mixture of cornstarch and water. Slowly pour the slurry while continuously mixing your crabs. Continue mixing, and then after this, beat 2 eggs. Pour in the beaten eggs and stir immediately. You must be very fast while doing this as the eggs needs to be distributed evenly to thicken the soup. Stir fry using high heat and then switch off the heat. If you like it more spicy, you can add more chilies to it, but for me, because I'm serving to a young child, so it can't be too spicy. Garnish it with chopped spring onions. It's now ready. Better serve to your family while it's hot.
好吃
Have you subscribed to me already? Please click the notification bell for more updates.